Hello homeowner community, just a quick video right now. We're down in our duck operations office. This is our open house. It's October 6th and I'm here today. Erica Bodner, you're the field services lead. You're in the most recent owner newsletter. Katie Wheeler, obviously everybody knows Katie. You are in charge of all of our owner relationships. We're down here today doing an open house to meet with our vendors, to welcome a lot of homeowners to the operational side of Twitty & Company. I hope you've heard us all say 1,000 times, the most important thing we do as a company, bar none, is listen to our homeowners. You've heard a couple good things today. Hit us with one thing you've heard that you thought was really good.
First, I wanted to start off by saying thank you to all of our homeowners that came down today. We really appreciated you coming in, touring our duck operations building, and learning more about the operational side of things at Twitty. I know I got to talk to a lot of you about work orders, inspections, home services, housekeeping, and it is the time of the year to think about those things.
Absolutely right. And then Katie, you and I communicate all the time. We heard some communication feedback. Talk to us about that.
We heard from a few homeowners today that you haven't necessarily been receiving all of our videos that we try to do every week. We think that we're communicating with you in the manner in which you prefer. So if you haven't been receiving these, please reach out and we'll be happy to make sure your information is updated.
Absolutely. We had chatted with a homeowner who said he hadn't seen any of these videos recently, and it turns out we were communicating in a different manner than what they were expecting. So they just weren't seeing it. Guys, we love feedback in all shapes and sizes. We're proud of our team. We're proud of your individual team. A lot of them are downstairs. We've got a room full of vendors just off camera right now. We love coming together with homeowners. We're proud of our team. We hope we see you on the Outer Banks in the weeks to come.